Hey, what's up, guys? It's Arnold here, and I will just be doing a quick unboxing of the Moment lens that I just got in the mail like an hour ago. And so yeah, so this is the fisheye lens from Moment. I actually really wanted this for a while. So this is the 14 millimeter lens with it. They have the 15 millimeter, but this is their newer version. I already have the wide one, which is the one that I actually have on right now, and then the telephoto one, which I think is 58 millimeters. So yeah, so definitely this one will be good for photos. It'll be good for videos, because it gives you that wide angle of it. But yeah, in the form of a fisheye. But yeah, let's just unbox it real quick. Just do it real quick. Um, okay, cool. There you go. Haha. What you get in the box is you get basically how to get started with your lens. So there's a white line. You do that. You rotate it. Yada yada yada, and it's in. And then, ooh, I love how they always send these nice pictures with it too. Because basically, what they mean by sending you the picture is basically showing you what the lens itself is gonna do. Basically, you also get nice. Ooh, where is it? Oh, nice. You get a bag where you could put your lens in, and it's basically telling you fisheye 14 millimeter. This is the lens cap for it, and right here is the lens. Oh, it's small. Nice. See how tiny it is? Like Moment. And take this off. Nice. Awesome. Look at this. Looks amazing. Yeah, focus. Yeah, look at that. Oh wow, so okay, now I'm gonna replace the lens that I have now, and you'll see the difference. So this is the white that I'm taking off right now. So let me just do that for a quick sec. You see how it's automatically zoomed in? And then now, just give me a sec while I get to put this in. I'm putting it on the camera that I'm recording right now, so alright, cool. Awesome. Whoa, look at that. See how cool that is? That's awesome. Okay, let's just basically tilt this so you can see. Wow, this is way wider. And what I like about it too is that there's no vignetting. Hey, there's my feet. There's no vignetting either. So even if I were like to do this, it's pretty cool. It's awesome. Oh, I actually like this. This is awesome. I can even go up. Ooh. Kevin Durant. Dude, that's awesome. Even if you were to take a nice picture of it, it's like all like rounded. Like even if you see my hand, but it looks so cool. Oh man, I can't wait to take pictures and videos with this. This is gonna be cool. I like it. Well, yeah, that was my quick unboxing of what I got in the mail today. Thank you. Moment, fisheye lens, pretty cool. Get one. You should. Look how sharp that is. Get one. Get lost. Follow your lens.